The 26-pack 6000 Kelvin white LED bulb kit is an excellent upgrade for enhancing your car or truck's interior and exterior lighting. With a crisp 6000 Kelvin white light, these bulbs provide superior brightness and clarity, ensuring improved visibility for tasks like reading maps or accessing cargo areas. The kit includes a variety of sizes: DE3175, 6411, T10, 2825, 6612F, 6615F, 31mm, and 41mm, making it suitable for multiple applications including map lights, dome lights, vanity mirrors, sun visors, cargo areas, and license plates. These 12-volt LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, reducing the need for frequent replacements compared to traditional halogen bulbs. They are easy to install, with a plug-and-play design that fits seamlessly into existing sockets. The uniform brightness and modern look add a touch of sophistication to your vehicle's lighting system. This kit is a practical and cost-effective solution for drivers seeking comprehensive lighting enhancements. Whether you're upgrading for style,